I have a SMEG SAR134AX1 gas hob and there is no spark on any of the ignition plugs. Any ideas on how to fix it?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. In taking it, you have checked the power supply to the hob and that's fine? If so, then it's more than likely the spark generator at fault. This is a box inside the hob which generates the spark. What you need to do is remove the hob top by undoing all the screws around each burner and remove the burner caps. Then remove the control knobs and you should be able to lift the hob top off. From there, locate the spark box and just check the wiring connections on there are tight. If so, then you need to replace the spark box and this should cure the fault for you. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.